Hi, I'm Mike Elmaleh, a recovering CPA, author, former business professor, and lifelong student. Welcome to the Mercifully Brief channel. This channel offers a less is more approach to teaching introductory courses on complex business topics. Whether you're a student or entrepreneur or both, you have stumbled onto my channel because your traditional courses or books have failed you. Have you ever wondered why there are so many dummy, idiot, or demystified books? It is not that most humans are dumb. People have trouble understanding math, science, and business concepts because the subjects themselves are hard and counterintuitive. Almost all technical concepts were considered controversial when they were first introduced, but now we expect students to embrace these ideas at face value without question. When these ideas are presented as if they should be obvious and intuitive, students are made to feel like they are dumb if they do not understand. In my courses, I explain the hard stuff without pretending it is easy stuff. If after watching one of my videos you still don't understand the concept, it's not because you are not smart enough, it's because I have not explained it well enough or clearly enough. I encourage you to ask questions and leave comments. On this channel, questions and debate are strongly encouraged. So welcome to the Mercifully Brief channel.